Hello, here's another video talking about how to use say, tell, speak, and talk in English. I often hear John said me. In English, you can say John told me or John said to me. If you say who you were talking to, use tell. John told me that he was getting a divorce. 離婚するでしょう。NG, John said me. Otherwise, use say. John said he was getting a divorce, or John said that he was getting a divorce. NG, John told me, told he. Also, NG, Bob told about his trip to Kyoto. OK version, Bob told us about his trip to Kyoto, or OK, Bob talked or spoke about his trip to Kyoto. Tell someone to do something is also often used. OK version. He told me to take a hike when I asked him for another loan. Take a hike is a slang expression, zokugo, basically meaning go away, get out of here. またお金借りたいんですか？ほっといてください。みたいな感じです。If you want to use to, you can do that with say, say to, speak, speak to, talk, talk to. Those are all okay. Examples, he said to me, don't worry, better late than never. Better late than never is an expression meaning somebody arrives late and then somebody else says, oh, well, I know you're late, but late is better than not being here at all, not showing up at all. So better late than never. Or if you're 75 and you decide that you want to start studying English, and then you may think you are too late, but your friends will say, hey, better late than never. It's always better to do it late than not to do it at all. The next sentence, Carla never speaks to her sister. They really don't get along. うまくやっていかないんですね。The next sentence, I'd love to talk to you more, but I have to pick my daughter up from daycare. You can't use to directly after tell. So, NG, I told to the manager I wasn't happy with the service. OK versions, I told the manager I wasn't happy with the service. Or also OK, I said to the manager I wasn't happy with the service. And finally, if we look at the picture, there are people in the elevator, and the elevator isn't moving at all. And the woman says, this has to be the slowest elevator on earth. And the guy next to her says, I'll say. I'll say in this case is an idiom, kanyoku. で、意味は I totally agree. そうですね。本当にそうだね。Very good. I hope you learned a little bit on how to use say, tell, speak, and talk to you at the next one.